Good morning, guys. My name is Gauresh, and today we will be talking about a company. Good morning, guys. My name is Gauresh, and today I'll be talking about some penny stocks which are rallying right now because of some catalysts that came in the morning. So there are some pretty good news for this company. So I am watching these companies for today. I just wanted to give you guys an idea like how to search for stocks. So I won't be going in very much detail about the company. I will just be showing you the name of the company and what is the news that has come in the morning. So that is why lots of people are buying them, and you can also get some profits like by waiting for about 20 to 30% of profits and then booking them. And I will also be telling you when to buy these stocks and when to sell them if it does not rallies. So let's get started. The first company that I'll be talking about is Novabe Pharmaceuticals Inc. Ticker symbol NBY. The present market price is $1.31. So uh, in the morning today at 8 a.m., Noabe there's an article which tells us that Noabe will be having a product, an Avenova on Walmart.com. So that is why it is rallying today. What Avenova has always demonstrated the ability to kill a wide variety of pathogens, and we now have laboratory results proving it is a COVID killer on hard surfaces. Justin Hall is the CEO who said that. So I think this is the reason why it is rallying right now. Also, I think this stock may go up to 1.75 to $2. So just have a look at it, and I'll be telling you when to buy according to the bull pattern. So don't just blindly buy the stock. When you find the bull pattern, uh, I'll let you know at the end of this video. So this was the first stock. The second stock that I'll be talking about is FORD. The name of the company is Forward Industries and the ticker symbol is FORD. It is available in the pre-market for $2.02. Why it is rallying today is because it has in the morning yesterday at 4:30 p.m. They have decided to acquire Cablu Designs. So because of this acquisitions, there are a lot of people getting into this stock. So I think Cablu, I'll tell you something about the Cablu. Cablu is based in Minnesota, US's third largest medical device development hub. So I think because of this stock is rallying. So as I had told you before, I won't be going into that much details about the stock because this is a penny stock, and there is a lot of risk associated with this stock. So just stay tuned for the bull pattern. Just watch the chart and then decide whether to buy the stock or not. Okay. So yeah, so this was the second stock. The third stock will be, the name of the company is MICT Inc. and the ticker symbol is MICT. Presently, it is trading at $6.85 in pre-market. So the news that came in the morning for this stock was that Micronet receives first major order for SmartCam following successful pilot trial with leading global telematics provider. So this came in the morning at 7 a.m. So I think this company may rally up to like 725 or 750, and then uh, you can just buy and just right now, like it went up to $9 and then it came back to 6.86. So we will just be looking at the bull pattern. If it goes up from here, then we will decide whether to buy this stock or not. But I think these are the watch list of some penny stocks today morning. So just have a look at the stocks, and in the evening, after the market closes, I'll be telling you what I did in these stocks, and whether these stocks are rallying today or not. Okay, so every day I'll try to make a video in the morning, and then I'll be posting the video, and in the evening I can review those stocks which I mentioned in the morning earlier. So okay, so this is now the fourth stock is IMBI. The name of the company is iMedia Brands Inc. The ticker symbol is IMBI. So the news that came for this stock was that it has earnings today, uh, August 18 on Tuesday. It has earnings, and because of that, I think this stock is rallying. The earning was about at 8:30. So because of that, lots of people are going into this stock, and if there's a bull pattern again, then we'll invest in this stock. Now, talking about the bull pattern, I'll tell you guys how to search for bull patterns. Yeah, so this is a bull flag breakout pattern. So first, when the company rises, just just convert the chart into the candlesticks, and when it drops and again tries to rise, when the green candle goes above a little bit by the red candle, then this is the time where you can invest your money, because lots of investors will be buying at this time because of the news that I told you in this talk. So just have a look at this pattern, and if you find this pattern in the charts, uh, just try buying it here and then selling. Once it breaks out, then there will be about 50 cents to 75 cents of profit. So at that time you can sell the stock immediately, or but like just don't wait. Once if it does not rise and if it drops, just don't wait for the stock to get up. This is the stop loss. The red candle is the stop loss. Below this, you should sell the stock. Do not wait for the stock to gain again. Okay. So just try searching for this pattern, and then making and try making profits. That's it for this video. I think you should be watching this stocks presently, and I am pretty sure like about two or three of the stocks or of the four may be giving some gains today, like 50 to 75% profits, and then I'll be selling those stocks. I won't be waiting for long runs, but I think these stocks may work today. So just keep watching and stay safe, stay healthy. I'll talk to you. I'll make the review video for this talks in the evening. So let's see how it goes. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Stay blessed. Stay happy.